As always, the shirt has been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun to a damp state, and this is a 100% cotton shirt. Okay, so for this I just need to figure out where I want to start the design, and since it's basically it is just a spiral, I am going to pick right about here. Actually, I'm going to pick up here. Right there. Get this started. And then I'll start adding some extra folds into it. And I am going for a somewhat organic look on this, so these do not have to be perfect. Alright. Oh, there we go. And then let's go ahead and put some rubber bands on this. And this is going to be done in sixths. So 3 rubber bands should do it. Across the top. And then we'll do one on the outside edge. Okay. And since the back is nice and flat, this is the side I'm actually going to dye from. Alright, I'm going to add 1 extra rubber band to keep that tight. Alright, off to dye. Okay, the only dye color I'm using for this entire thing is Better Black. What I've done is the weakest solution is 1 teaspoon of Better Black into 6 ounces of water. Then the next is 2 teaspoons and 6 ounces. The third is 3 teaspoons. Fourth is 4 teaspoons. Fifth is 5 teaspoons. And the sixth color is 6 teaspoons of Better Black in 6 ounces. So it varies between 1 and 6 to 1 to 1. So let's go ahead and get started on dyeing it. Alright, now that that's covered, I'm not sure you can see anything different in the camera. There is a very slight difference between the lightest and the darkest. So you just kind of have to trust that this is going to work. Or I do. You'll know what happens. Okay, so I'm going to put this... Oh, first I'm going to pour this, which is, I believe, a 1/2 solution. So that would be 1 teaspoon Better Black to every 2 ounces of water. And I'm just going to pour the whole bottle in, because I always end up pouring the whole bottle in. Alright, so I'm going to grab this one. And set this down. And I'll let that sit for probably 24 hours or so. And then we'll do the washout. It's been about 30 hours, so let's wash this out. Okay, let's take a look. And right now, it looks almost like a solid black shirt. There's a tiny little bit, you may be able to see it, of differences. So we'll see what this does once I wash it out a few more times. Hopefully it does what I'm looking for.